Welcome to our video on effective tips and tricks for using Glucoberry to lower blood sugar. If you're struggling with high blood sugar levels and looking for natural remedies, Glucoberry can be a great option. In this video, we will share some useful tips and tricks to help you make the most of Glucoberry for managing your blood sugar levels. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, it's important to understand what Glucoberry is. Glucoberry is a natural supplement known for its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. It is derived from the berries of a unique plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its rich antioxidants and organic compounds make it an excellent choice for promoting overall health. Our first tip is to maintain a consistent dosage of Glucoberry. It's important to follow the recommended dosage as advised by your healthcare professional or the instructions on the product label. Consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of Glucoberry for lowering blood sugar levels. Alongside taking Glucoberry, it's crucial to follow a healthy diet and engage in regular physical activity. A balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables can aid in blood sugar management. Similarly, regular exercise can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Another important tip is to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. Using a glucose meter, you can keep track of how your body is responding to Glucoberry and other lifestyle changes. This will allow you to adjust your dosage or make further improvements to your diet and exercise routine based on your readings. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day can help your body function optimally and prevent dehydration, which can impact blood sugar regulation. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Chronic stress can affect blood sugar levels negatively. Therefore, it's important to incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine. This can include practices like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or engaging in hobbies that help you relax and unwind. In conclusion, using Glucoberry can be an effective way to lower blood sugar levels naturally. By following the tips and tricks we've shared, you can maximize the benefits of this supplement in managing your blood sugar. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have any pre-existing conditions. Stay healthy, stay vigilant, and take control of your blood sugar levels with Glucoberry.